Hi, John O'Donnell here from MarineMax, Maryland, and today I want to take you through a brand new 2024 Sea Ray SPX 230 Outboard. Brand new arrival, gorgeous boat. We've got the 250 horsepower Mercury Verado on the back here. That's the top engine you can have on this boat, and this boat moves. This is just a phenomenal amount of power on the back of the boat. Talk about pants on fire, that's true with this motor on the back. Tied in with that, of course, for your water sports activities, you do have the ski tow bar here. So tubing, skiing, all those water fun, great with that motor on the back, no problem whatsoever. Nice sea deck across on the swim platform here. Of course, we got the ensign here, keeping it real and patriotic for sure. Got a really nice large sun pad back here. And what's nice about this is a couple things. Number one, underneath there is a huge storage area, a massive compartment where you can put all your boating gear down there. It's really pretty spectacular. In addition though, not only can you lay flat on here, but then you can also just take this and just tilt this up and then have a nice rear facing seat as well. So lots of options back here. We've got an onboard battery charger to keep everything topped up, which is really nice. And you got a little door here which closes off. You have a small pet server perhaps, keep them in the cockpit and everything as well. This boat is also equipped with a sport tower and the bimini attached to the sport tower. So on the top of the sport tower, you do have another tow point there for some of your acrobatic board work if you're into those types of sports. But really nice. You got, I'm sitting here full shade here. Really nice large bimini top on top of the sport tower. So great protection for your guests and yourself when you're on board the boat. So in the cockpit of the 2024 Sea Ray SPX 230 Outboard, lots of seating, lots of entertainment space. You got a table which goes in right over here and hooks up, so you got a little bit of small dining, a little small cup holders there. Underneath here, you got an insulated cooler, self-draining, so you can put all your beverages in there. You'll also notice throughout the boat that there's cup holders galore, and all the cup holders have an LED light in there that shoots a little blue light in there, so you won't lose track of your cup holders when you're on board at night. Storage everywhere again, another storage compartment under here with another cup holder. You've back here, you've got a 12-volt outlet for pumping up any water toys. If you have an air compressor, you can pump up your water toys on there, which is really nice as well. A little accent lighting throughout the boat. Underneath here is a large, we call it the water ski locker down there, a nice deep long locker to store some of your gear. On the port side for your co-pilot over here, we have the upgraded 3-position lounger. So as you can see right now, you've got a seat here and a seat here, and this seat is now facing forward. You can also just pick this up, roll it forward, drop it down, and now you've got your kind of lounger facing aft, which is really pretty spectacular. Now let's take it up another notch here. Say you really want to lay down completely and entirely, you just drop this down all the way, boom. Flat, nice flat lounger all the way across. And you saw how easy it was to operate, so you just pick it up and let her fly. Really nice. In addition, over here in the command center, not only does this does the seat roll forward and backwards as well, but it also rotates around. So you can have your command center seat face back aft, so you then have a circular seating here for everybody as well. In the command center, you have your seat bolster, and the bolster flips down if you want to sit regular, or if you want to sit up high. So it's a nice option for you. On the dash, you got your SIMRAD touchscreen display. Of course, you got your navigation, all your engine management information for that 250 horse Merc Verado back there. So we've got a Bluetooth Fusion stereo here, and so you can stream all your favorite music off of your phone right onto here to the upgraded stereo system on board the boat, which has the big subwoofer, really nice sounding stereo system here. You've got your throttle over here with your active trim, which keeps the motor trimmed appropriately while you're underway automatically for you, which is really nice. Down there you have USB-A and USB-C charging, as well as a second 12-volt accessory port for powering any other 12-volt accessories that you have on board. Moving forward, over here to port, starting with the 230 SPX, Sea Ray now allows you to optionally have a pump out head, and look at that. So now we have a great pump out head compartment There's a light on the top there, so it's great. You can use it at night, daytime, but nice feature in there when you're underway with the kids or the family, and you need to have it when you're underway. You don't have to pull into the port, into the marina to use their facilities, because you got something on board the boat, which is really, really nice. The windshield here, this does lock closed or open, your choice when you're underway, which is really nice. Then up forward here, another big lounging area. So just kind of kick back over here. Got lots of cup holders up here, hand holds. You got just a separate stereo zone here. And look at this nice curved seating. Look at the stitch work there. It just looks beautiful up here. The way they do the stitching and everything is just really nice. But it's nice and comfortable. You got your accent blue LED accent lights along here as well. And again, puts a nice little ambiance on the boat at night. Looks pretty cool with those blue lights, the strip lighting, and then also the LED lighting in the cup holders. It's really neat. And then there's a third lighting option, which are these courtesy lights, these half moon courtesy lights as well. So you can see those at night, and it just really makes the boat really nice, and kind of pops at night. Up forward here, of course, you got your navigation light, and then you'll have your Danforth anchor in here in your anchor road. So you want to drop the hook when you're underway, swimming off that wonderful back platform on the stern. It'll be wonderful. So this is the 2024 Sea Ray SPX 230 outboard right here at MarineMax Maryland. Really like you all to come on down, take a look. This is a beautiful boat, and I think you'll really love it.